Hello, I'm Giovanni Serrano. Today I'm going to talk about football in art. The title is Football in Art. Two artists are Fernando Botero and Henry Rousseau. They show football in different ways. Botero paints big children and they look strong and important. Besides, Rousseau paints simple people; they look flat and calm. Both artists shape their body; they do not want perfect bodies. Football is not business here, it is social activity. In Botero, children play in the street. It shows community. In Russo, people play in nature. It shows free time in exercise, but show happiness and teamwork. Football is also a symbol. For Botero, it shows Colombia identity and joy. For Russo, it shows new ideas in art. In conclusion, football is a global sport, but each artist shows it in a different cultural way.